Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahdah. Meaning of the passing of years. Human being is required that in the lunar year, when he gain the money equal to the zakat threshold nisab, he must note that date, and every year on the same date he must pay zakat on the saved money equal to the threshold. If in case during the year, if there is no amount remaining equal to the threshold, but on the assigned date he got money, so again zakat will become compulsory on him. It is necessary to pass a year on the wealth, which means that a year should pass on every dollar or rate. But if a person has some wealth in the beginning of the year and after 6 months he got more, so a whole of the wealth will be calculated for paying zakat, which means that on the amount that added after only 6 months but is not there for whole year, but still it was eligible to pay zakat on it.